there, I'm Tom of Interval Magic. Thanks for joining me. Today I'd like to show you a routine that I teach my beginning magic students. It's called the Cups and Balls, and actually this particular version has a little more punch than your standard out-of-the-box cup and ball routine, generally with plastic cups, which, by the way, are fine for 6, 7, and 8-year-olds. This routine uses aluminum cups, and I generally teach people who are at least 9 years old. So if you want to learn this routine, you can email me at tom@intervalmagic.com and you can inquire about magic lessons. Today, I would like to show you the oldest magic trick in the world. It involves 3 cups and 3 balls, and it is somewhat unoriginally named the Cups and Balls. I didn't think of the name. So the balls have a certain property, and the cups, they also have a certain property. Let's start with the balls. If I take 2 balls and place them in the hand and 1 ball in the pocket, how many balls are in my hand? Exactly, 2. Now remember, that's in the context of reality. Here, we're going to start again, except this time think of it in the context of breaking the laws of reality, which is what magicians do all the time. So if I take 1 ball, 2 balls, and place it in my hand, this ball goes inside my pocket. How many balls are in my hand? No. There are actually 3 balls. I'll do it again. 1 ball, 2 balls, 1 ball in the pocket. How many balls in my hand? No, not 2, but 3. Remember, we're breaking the laws of reality. So the reason that happens is the balls have the ability to teleport from my pocket to the table. Now the cups are a little different. The cups are actually very interesting because even though these cups sound and look solid, they actually are not solid at all. They have a soft spot. Each of them has a soft spot on the top. And this soft spot allows one solid object to go through another solid object. So when you combine this soft spot principle with the teleportation, really cool magic begins to happen. So do me a favor, point to one of the cups. Doesn't matter which cup. That cup. I'm going to set it aside, point to another cup. That cup. That's going to be my cup. That's your cup, that's my cup. 1 ball goes on top of my cup, take your cup, place it on top of mine. Now remember where that ball is. Teleportation and the soft spot principle will appear to be magic. And there it goes, right through 1 layer. Now you don't have to go through 1 layer, you could go through 2 layers, 1 at a time. And there you have it. Now that was 1 at a time. If you wanted to go through 2 layers at one time, it goes down to the table. So I'm going to ask you to really pay attention now. You already are familiar with the basic concept, but I'm going to ask you to keep your eyes on that ball and tell me, where is the ball? And you should know where it is. Exactly. It's on the bottom cup of the 3-cup stack. It's kind of hard to keep track of that because when the cups are stacked, it's hard to keep track of how many cups are actually stacked. So I'm going to give you another chance. Where is the ball? It's on the bottom cup of the 3. Oh, look, it happened already. It joined the ball that was already there. Now again, that happened because they can actually teleport from one place to another. So if I take that ball and I place it inside my pocket, that ball will teleport from my pocket to under the center cup, from the pocket to the center cup in 3 seconds. Do not take your eye off the... Oh, I almost forgot. You have to blow on it for good luck. Up, blow, not spit, please. Thank you very much, sir. So again, deep inside the pocket, don't take your eyes off the cup. 1, 2, 2.5, 2 3/4, 3. Did it work? Of course it worked as a class act. I didn't say it's a high class act, but it's a class act. So you've seen the balls go through the tops of the cups, through the soft spots. You've seen the balls teleport from one place to another. And at this point, people say, oh, come on, Tom, we don't buy this teleportation stuff. I say, yeah, you're right. The way it really works is I use an extra ball, cleverly disguised as a lemon.